Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the percentage of a total column in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with sales data, budgets, or any data set where you need to see what portion each value represents of the whole. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to calculate the percentage of total column. For this tutorial, let's say you have a spreadsheet with sales data. Your goal is to figure out what percentage each individual sale represents of your total sales. This kind of analysis can help you identify which products or categories are performing best and which ones might need more attention. Now take a look at your data. In this example, we have a column labeled sales with various numbers. To calculate the percentage each value represents of the total, you'll need to create a formula. Click on the cell where you want your first percentage to appear. This is typically the cell right next to your first data point. In that cell, type the equals sign to start your formula. Next, click on the cell that contains the first sales figure. After that, type the / symbol, which represents division. Now type sub followed by an opening parenthesis. Click on the column letter that contains all your sales data. For example, if your sales are in column B, click on B, then close the formula with a closing parenthesis. This formula divides each individual sale by the sum of all sales, giving you the decimal representation of each percentage. Once you've entered the formula, you'll notice a small blue circle or square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag this icon all the way down to the last row of your data. This action copies the formula to all the cells below, automatically calculating the percentage for each row. You'll see decimal values appear in each cell, but these aren't in percentage format yet. To convert these decimals into percentages, highlight all the cells you just filled with the formula. Then look at the toolbar at the top of your screen and find the percent icon. It usually looks like a percentage symbol. Click on it and instantly all your decimal values will transform into percentages. This makes your data much easier to read and understand at a glance. Now, you might notice that your percentages have decimal places, which can sometimes make the data look cluttered. If you prefer whole numbers or fewer decimal places, simply click on the decrease decimal places icon in the toolbar. This icon typically looks like a .0 with a left arrow underneath it. Each click will remove one decimal place, allowing you to customize the precision of your percentages to suit your needs. And there you have it, you've successfully calculated the percentage of total column in Google Sheets, making your data analysis clearer and more actionable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.